Alrighty, reindeer. So this had a little more planning out involved, some more pieces, but same premise as before. It's going to be the slot technique. So I used an oatmeal box, and I drew out a head shape with some antlers. I drew out 4 sets of legs, these 2 right here being the front, these 2 right here being the rear, a little more rounded to suggest the rear. And each of these has a slot cut into the shape, about 1 inch in length. On the head, there is a slot cut right here in the front, down toward the nose, about 1 inch. Here's the body shape. It has a slot cut here, and a slot cut here, and a slot cut here. To give it some width, I have these 2 circular shapes, and this is the neck shape. It's like a boot. So it takes a little planning to draw out the shapes and a little cutting to make this deer. So where did I start from? I started with the body and the neck. So like I said, the neck has a slot cut here and one down here. Slide the head on next. Already kind of looks like a deer. These 2 circular shapes are going to attach where I cut a slot to match the slot that I described earlier on the body of the deer. Just a matter of trying to get it to slide on. There we go. Actually, this is on the back. And this one goes on the front. Okay, these extra pieces are to support the legs. So these are the back pieces, and these are the front. So right here, you can see there's a slot cut down here and one over here for the legs. There we go. So it's the back of the deer. I could have added a tail, maybe I can. And here is the front. And let's see if I can get him to stand. I might need some adjusting. There we go, he does stand. All right, I'll have pictures to go along with this video demo. I can't wait to see what you do. Just try to make something using the slot technique. Maybe an elephant, maybe an elephant, maybe a deer. Talk to you again. Bye.